everyone, welcome back to our Kawasan Canyoneering adventure.
In our last video, we gave you a sneak peek at what's waiting for you, like how we got our safety gear to stay protected. You arrive at Kawasan and buy your ticket. The first thing they do is take you all to a briefing area. Here, the guides explain the full adventure plan and give us all the safety gear we need.
Are you nervous? But you will be fine.
The safety gear includes a helmet, a life jacket, and aqua shoes. We have to wear all of these the whole time because we'll be climbing, swimming, and jumping for hours.
Took a zipline ride to get closer to the canyon and then started our adventure by jumping off cliffs.
Today, we're taking you through the real action, step by step through the canyon, climbing up, sliding down, and of course, jumping from higher and higher cliffs.
This adventure is not just about fun, it requires a lot of energy and bravery. So if Kawasan Canyoneering the right adventure for you, keep watching our journey today and decide for yourself.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Tarzan has both dry canyons and wet canyons. A wet canyon has a river flowing through it all year round, like the ones we're jumping into today. But some parts are dry because over time the rocks moved and blocked the water, so the river changed directions.
After hiking down a super steep trail, we finally made it to Cliff 1, the first jumping point of our Kawasan Canyoneering adventure.
And check this out. The rocks here have these amazing curved shapes, almost like they've been carved by an artist. But guess what? Nature did this.
Water is super powerful. When it flows through here, it carries tiny rocks and sand that rub against the canyon walls over thousands of years. This slowly carves the rocks into the smooth, curvy shapes. Even right now, the water is still shaping Kawasan. In a few thousand years, it might look totally different.
And now, time for our first jump.
Our first challenge is a 5-meter jump. That's about as tall as a 2-story building. But before you jump, remember, you should only jump straight down, not try flips or twists.
No. Don't flip, okay? Just jump.
Jump.
Oh, yeah.
Here in Kawasan, there are natural water slides instead of jumping. Here, you can just lie down and the water will carry you down the rocks.
The tour guides help push you so you slide faster. Wow. It's just like a water park, but made completely by nature. The rocks here are so smooth because water has been flowing over them for thousands of years. It works like a natural polish, making them super slippery.
This is so much fun and totally safe. Just cross your arms and legs and let the water do the work. Alright, we've already done the 5-meter jump, but now we have 2 bigger challenges ahead, 8-meter and 10-meter jumps.
It's almost like jumping from a 3-story and then a 4-story building.
Three, 2, 1. Say hi. Don't run, it's so slippery here. I'm gonna go first, just wait.
Mmm, yummy.
A few hours later.
Say hi, sir.
Hey, what's up?
You notice how the water here is so bright turquoise? That's because the rocks underneath are limestone and they reflect sunlight in a way that makes the water look this bright turquoise.
You'll see cool blue water like this in places with a lot of limestone minerals and clear fresh water. Meanwhile, water in Blue Lagoon in Iceland that we visited, where it has a milky blue color thanks to silica and geothermal minerals. And other places might have greenish blue water like some rivers and lakes because of algae or plant life mixing in the water.
And this time, since it's higher, you'll be in the air longer, so you need to stay tight and straight to control your landing.
Standing at such a height and looking down can make you feel very scared and stop.
Guys! Say hi!
The trick is not to overthink it. If you wait too long, it feels even scary. So just count to 3 and jump.
Three, two, one.
You did an amazing job. I couldn't believe that. You earned a Supergirl. And Manny, Superman.
Okay, jumping off cliffs is fun, but have you ever tried rope jumping? Here at Kawasan, you can swing like Tarzan before splashing into the water.
But to get a perfect jump, you have to do it the right way. Here's how. Step number 1. Hold the rope tight with both hands and get a good grip. Step number 2. Bend your knees and push off with your legs, not just your arms. Step number 3. Swing out as far as you can before letting go.
You have to let go at the right time, not too early, or you might land too close to the rocks. Not too late, or you might belly flop.
Woohoo! That was awesome. Just remember to point your toes down and land feet first for a smooth splash.
Rope jumping is super fun and makes you feel like you're flying. So if you visit Kawasan, don't miss this Tarzan moment.
Well done, Mary! Well done, kids!
And just like that, we've completed our Kawasan Canyoneering adventure. From hiking, sliding, swimming, and making crazy jumps, this was one of the coolest experiences ever. This adventure pushed us beyond our limits, and I feel like I just stepped out of my fear and comfort zone.
Me too. At first, I was nervous about the zip line and high jumps, but now I feel so proud that I faced my fears and did.
And that's why we think every kid should try stepping out of their comfort zone too. A little scary at first, but trust me, it's worth it.
Honestly, we couldn't have done this without our amazing tour guide.
They were so kind and helpful. There were times when the trails were too slippery or we were feeling really cold, and they carried us to make sure we were safe.
Thank you so much to the uncles at PH Kawasan Canyoneering for making the adventure safe and unforgettable. If you ever visit Cebu, this is must-go destination. So will you dare to take on the challenge? See you in the next adventure. Bye!